Wow!
Idol.
Oh my God! I never ever imagined that in my career as an organizer. Thank you, brother. Thank you for kissing my forehead. Oh my God. I love you. Thank you. Wow. Nakakaya. And now, the last, but of course, not the least, the father of the PBA legend,
Yes.
King Tung Parto,
Idol.
the best, of course, coach who happened to be the